Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, nasa kusina tayo. I don't know if identify niyo siyang kusina. Pero nasa kitchen namin kayo. So, we are here today. We are going to cook chopsuey for this video. So, I prepared already all the ingredients what we are going to use. Ayan sila. So, ayan. Because for the past days, we are trying to change our diet. My boyfriend and I. We are trying to minimize. At least kahit pa paano mabawasan namin ang konsumo namin ng meat. Specifically, pork. And then, chicken. And then, beef. So, in this video, I tried to convince him that at least I have to put something for the flavoring. I don't only want to use the powdered or the cubes that are readily available in the market. I told him at least I could use shrimps for the flavor of our food. So he said, okay, at least there's no head. You know, Germans, they don't like the eyes. So at least no head, no shells, so that if you're eating, it's there already. So I prepared already garlic and onions, carrots, snowpeas. I want to put some broccoli. No, that's cauliflower, broccoli, of course, mushrooms, and Betchai, Baguio, but here it's called Shinakol, and then young corn, and of course for the flavoring we have oyster sauce, soy sauce, and pepper. Ayan guys, so ready na tayo. Pwede na tayo magsimula magluto. Andito na rin pala ang aking wok at meron na tayong shansit. So, let's get ready!